Hima, Department of Commerce with PA, HK College of Arts and Science. Today we are discuss the topic about is for business finance. Business finance means the fund and credit employed for the business. So finance is the foundation of the business. So the finances become requirement of the purchase of the asset, goods, raw materials and for the other flow of the economic activities. So that is the business finance. So what the importance of the business finance? The role of finance is the business is also we can make sure there are enough the fund to operator. So the operator and you are spending the investing wisely. The importance of the business finance we have lies in the capacity to keep a business operating smoothly. So that smoothly of the operating of the business without running out of the cash well. So the cash well also we can securing the fund for the long term of the investment. So that is the importance of the business finance. So the next is the scope of business finance. The scope of means the research or study. It have been converted by a subject. The scope of business finance to study for the convert by the subject of the business finance is hence to the board of the concept. So the business finance we can study for the analysis and examine why the aspect to related for the fund of the business and allocated through the funds of the board of the concept. So these are the various of the field converted by the business finance and some of them are the financial planning and the control. So the financial planning and control is a business firm must manage and make the financial analysis and planning. To make this planning and the management, the financial manager should have to the knowledge about the financial situation of the firm of the control. So on the basis of that information for he or she to the regulates the plan and managing the strategies for a future of the financial situations of the firm. The future of the financial situation of the firm with a different economic of the scenario of the financial planning and control. So the second point is the financial statement analysis. That is once the scope of the business, the statement analysis is we can finance by the financial statement. So it also the analyze the financial situations and problems that we can arise the promotions of the business firm. Next is working capital budget. The working capital budget is the financial decision making that relates to current asset or short term of the asset. So that is known as the working capital of the management. So the short term is we can survival is the requirement for the long term success and it is the importance factor of the business. That is the working capital finance. Next, concept of finance. The concept of finance is the term that describe the activities associated with the banking, leverage on debt, credit, capital market, money and the investment. So that is the first concept of the finance. The second is we can basically the finance we can represent the money management. So that money management is the process of acquiring the needed for the fund. That is the second concept of the finance. So the next types of the finance. The types of finance is term loan, line of the credit card, peer-to-peer lending, friends and family, invoice financing. So these are the types of the finance. So what the term loan is, a lump sum repaid over a fixed time. That is the term loan. So the credit card is the fund that are available to use when who the needed. Peer-to-peer lending is we can crowd the funded the loan. Friends and family is when those close to you lend your money. Invoice financing, that is an advantage on the invoice you are issued. So that is the types of the finance. So they have your types of finance, 4 types of the finance it is there. One it is the private, personal finance, corporate finance and public finance. So the first is public finance. The public finances can be defined as the study of the government activities which may include the spending, defense and the taxation. So the public finance, the goal is how you can to recognize when, how and why the government should intervene the current economic. And also we can understand the possibility outcomes of making the changes to the market. So that is the public finance. So public finance have been made, divided the 3 part of the public finance. One it is the public expenditure, public revenue and the public debt. So they have a 3 divided of the public finance. So the first public expenditure. That is we can refer to the government of the expenditure. of the public expenditure. So it is incurred by the central and the state government. So the expenditure incurred by the public authorities like for the central, state, local government to satisfy the collective or the social wants to people know the public expenditure. Second type is the public revenue. That is the income of the government through all the sources. It is called for the public income or public revenue. So according to the Mr. Dalton, the terms of say the public income has a two parts we can divide it. One, it is a public receipt. We can consider the public income in wider the sense of the include for all the incomes or the receipt. Then second part of the public authority. That public authority may secure the during any period of the time. The third, it is the public debt. The public debt is how much a country owes to lender the outside of itself. So these can be included individuals, businesses and other governments. So the term, the public debt, it is often how we can use it, interchangeability with the terms by the surveying of the debt. So the public debt, it is usually only refers to the national debt of the public debt. Next, it is a private finance. So the private finance is an alternative to the corporate finance method. These the help have the organization raise the cash to avoid the limited time. So the private finance avoid the limited time of the frame monetary for the shortfall. So this method we can typically the serves a firm that it is not listed on the securities exchange or it is unable to seek the financing of the market. So the private financing is plan also may be suitable for a non-profit of the entity. Corporate finance. The corporate finance is the financial activities related for the running a corporation. So a corporate finance, a divisions or department that oversees the financial activities of a company. So the corporate finance is primarily concerned with that maximizing shareholder of the value through the long term and the short term of the financial planning. So they have a two planning of the financial, one it is the short and the long term. So that implementations of the various of giving the strategies of the corporate finance. So the corporate finance we can include it for that. One it is the planning the finance. So the planning the finance is the finance manager the plans the finance of the company. So how we can take the decisions of the question it will be coming for the planning the finances. How much finance is required by the company? What are the sources of the finance? How to use the finance profitability? So likely we can come in the question for the planning of the finance. Second it is the raising the finance. The raising the finances, the manager's rights we can collect the finance for the company. So for example the finance can be collected the form sources, shares, debentures, bank, financial institutions, creditors, etc. So we can raising the finance. We can collect the finance of the companies. So next is the investing the finance. Investing the finances, the managers use the finance to achieve the objectives of the company. So they have two types of the corporate finance like the fixed capital and the working capital. So fixed capital is used to purchase the fixed asset for like land, building, machineries, raw materials, etc. So while we can working that capital, it is used to purchase the raw materials. So fixed capital we can use like for the land, building, machinery, working capital to purchase for the raw materials. So it is also used to pay the day-to-day expenses like that salaries, rent, taxes, electricity, bill, etc. So these are the day-to-day we can use it to pay for the investing the finance. Next, monitoring the finance. So monitoring the finances, the finance manages the monitor for the control and the managers of the finance of the company. So it has to how you can minimize the risk of the investment of the finance. So we can to get the maximize the return of the finance. So monitoring the finance, it is an art and the science. So we can very complex of the job of the monitoring the finance. Next is the areas of focus. So what the areas of the focus is the first financial position. So that financial position is it is concerned with understanding the personal resources available by the examining net worth and household the cash flow. So the household the cash flow is the tools upon the expenditure the sources of the income within the year. So we can giving that determined to what the degree and what the time the personal goals can be accomplished of the financial position. So that is the first areas we can focus of the financial position. The second it is the adequate protection. So that adequate protection is the analysis of how you can protect the household from the unforeseen of the risk of the protections. So some of the risks may be self-insurable, while the most will be giving the require the purchase of the insurance of the contracts. So these risks can be divided to the liability, property, death, health and the long-term care, etc. So the knowledge of the market for the personnel of giving that insurance is the most cost of the effective of the terms of adequate protection. So the third area's focus is the tax planning. The tax planning is the single largest expenses in a household. So it is a higher of the income gross marginal rate of the tax must be paid. We can understanding how you can take the advantages of that matter the tax breaks when the planning of once the person of the finance can make a significant impact of the how much of the tax planning. So the government we can give many incentive in the form of the tax deductions and the credit which can be used to reduce the lifetime of the tax burden. The next is investment and the accumulations of the goods. So that is the planning how you can to accumulate the enough money for the large purchase and the life event in which the most people we can consider to the financial planning. So these the allocations should also we can take into a considerations. So the plan, the risk, the profile of every investors since the risk attitudes for the vary of the forms person to person. So that is the investment in the accumulations of the goals of the business. Retirement planning. Retirement planning it is the process of understanding how much the cost to live a retirement. Coming up with a plan to distribute the assets to meet any income of the shortfall. So the method for the retirement the plan we can include the taking the advance of the government, allow the structures to manage the tax liability to the for including that one it is the individual structures for the tax liability including or employer sponsored retirement plan, etc. That is the retirement planning. So the next step is the goal of business finance. What is the goal of business finance is one it is the maximizing profit. Number 2 it is the maximizing profitability. Number 3 it is the maximizing profit subject to cash the constraint. The fourth it is the maximizing the net present of the worth. The fifth one it is the seeking an optimum position along a risk return of the profit. So the goal of business finance have a 5 of the business finance. One it is the maximizing profit, profitability, subject to cash the constraint of the present worth, then position along with the risk return of the profit. So profitability and revenue it is the most basic financial goal of every small business. So the profitability we can involve the earning more revenue. Then you can spend and operating the expenses. Business revenue also we can include it for the income from sales, interest on the investment and rent on the business property you own. So that is the profitability and the revenue. Financial goal it is or the personal big picture of the objectives you set for how you will save the spend of the money. So they can be things you hope to achieve in the short term or further down the road. It's often the easier to reach your goal if you identify them the advance of the financial goal. The essential components to a financial plan. So that is the first it is the goal and objective. The second component it is the income tax planning. The third components to the financial plan it is the balance sheet. The fourth one it is the issues and problems. The fifth one it is the risk management and insurance. The sixth one it is the retirement, education and the special needs. The seventh one it is the cash flow statement. The eighth one investment planning. So these are the components of the financial planning. So the next topic is the finance. So finance it is a word, the term that describes the activities associated with the banking leverages of debt credit, capital markets, money and investment. So the second of the point of the finance is we can basically the finance represent of the money management and the process of acquiring the needs of the fund. So many of the basic concept in the finance originated the form micro and the macroeconomic of the theories. So the evaluations it is have giving a three evaluations of the finance. One it is a modern, traditional and the transactional. So traditional phases is we can giving the form of the financial management was mainly on certain of the specific of the exceed of the formations. So transactional phases is nature of the financial management during was similar to the traditionals of the transactional phases. Modern phases we can approach for that more legalable. So the control of the concern it is we can do giving the making of the fund to the users of the maximizing wealth of the shareholders. So these are the three it is the evaluation of the phases. So the approaches have a two. One it is the traditional and modern approaches. So they have a two approaches. So the main role of the financial manager is the financial managers are responsible for the financial health of an organization. They proceed the financial reports, direct investment activities and develop the strategies and the plan for the long-term financial goal of the organization. The second role of the financial manager is help management make the financial decision. Next it is the role of the financial manager. So they have a various role of the financial manager. One it is the functions of the financial management. So they have a four financial functions of the management. One it is the raising funds, investing funds, then directions of the distributions of plannings and distributions of the flow. So the investment decision is related to the decision made the investor or the top level of the management with the respect to the amount of the fund to be deployed in the investment of the opportunities. So the selecting the types of the asset which the fund will be invested by the firm in the terms of the investment decision. So the second it is the financing decision. The financing decision is yet to another equivalent of the decisions made by the financial manager relating to the financing of the mix of an organization. So we can consider for the financial decision the borrowing of the allocations of the fund required for the investment of the decision. So the manager we can choose the source of within the minimum of the cost of the financing of the decision. The third it is the dividend decision. So the dividend decision it is we can dividend by the payment of the ratio and we can giving the retain of the ratio. So these are dividend decision. The next it is the objectives. So the objective it is the two way of the objectives. One it is the profit maximization. Second one it is the wealth maximization. So profit maximization is assumed to be the dominant goal of the typical firm. This means the selling of the quantity of the goods or services or fixing a price where the total revenue that is the TR it is greatest above the total cost. So the profit it is maximized at the quantity with the area of a supernormal of the profit being a BAC. Point of it is the favor of the profit maximization is the main aim to earning the profit. One. The number two it is profit it is the parameter of the business operations. Profit reduce the risk of the business concern. Profit is the main source of the finance. So they have a four favor of the profit maximization. Wealth maximization. Wealth maximization is the concept of increasing the value of the business to order to increase the value of your shares held by the stockholders. So the most direct we can giving the evidence of the wealth maximization is changes in the price of the companies of the shares. So what the point we can give in the favor of the wealth maximization is if serves the interest of the suppliers, financiers, employees, management, consumers and society. So the wealth maximization we can consider the time value of the money one. Number two it is the time value of the money translate the cash flow occurring at different periods. So these the points the favor of the wealth maximization. Next it is the difference between the traditional and modern approach of the finance of the functions. So number one it is the traditional approach of the finance function. The scope it is the confined to the raising of the fund. The narrow sense of the procurement of the fund. It involves discussions on the financial institutions and the instrument. So this is the traditional approach of the finance function. It deals with the fund we can require for the mesh consolidations of the organizations of the source. So the traditional approach has how known to be the described as the suffers from the series of the concerns. The traditional approach was the outsider we can looking in the approach. So such as the investor, the financial institutions, investment banker, etc. So the traditional approach, the internal financing, the decision making was completely ignoring the approaches. It paid the attentions on the infrequent happening like for major organizations, etc. If the focus the paying without any attentions on the day-to-day financial aspect. So the focus is long-term financial problems, ignoring importance of the working capital. The second is modern approaches of the finance functions of the objectives. The year is the 1950s of a number of economics and environmental factors such as the technological innovations, industrializations, intentions of the competitions, interventions of the government, populations, etc. So that is the first modern approaches of the finance function. The year is 1950s. So the emphasis of the shift from the epoch of the financing is long-term financing. So the long-term financing, it is giving the day-to-day financing, the continuous process of the working capital. It involves the factors such as the size and nature of the technology, shaping the profitability, amount of the risk we can take in the select of the asset, etc. So that is the modern approach. The last point of the modern approach is it involves we can give it the optimum of the use of the fund is first you can find what are the out of the source of raising the fund. The second it is the proper utilization. So the next cost of raising. The cost of raising fund is we can return should be compared. We can involve the basic management decisions for like the investment decision, finance decision, dividend decision. So these three basic we can coming by the cost of raising fund. The next it is the types of finance function. Decision, they have three types of the finance function. Investment decision, finance decision. The third it is the asset management decision. Next it is the contents of the modern finance function. That is the finance functions according to this approach we can cover the financial planning, raising of fund, allocations of the fund, financial control, etc. So that is the first content of the modern finance function. So second is the modern approach we can consider the three basic of the management decision like for the investment, financing, dividend decision. So within the coming by the scope of the finance function. So the point of the modern finance function, the first data governance. The data governance is the process of managing the availability, integrity and security of the data. It can be enterprise the system based on the internal data. So that internal data we can standard the policies that also control for your data usages of the process of the availability of the sources. So the effective the data governance we can ensure that data it can be consistent of the trustworthy or does not get them misused. Next it is the tax. The tax it is the compulsory, the financial charge or some other type of the imposed. So the taxpayer it is an individual or the legal entity. That legal entity is by governmental organizations. In order to the functions government we can spending on the various public expenditure. So if the failure to pay along with the efficiency of the restrictions to taxation is the punishable by the law. The next it is the tertiaries. So the tertiaries it defined as the fund of a group, institutions or government or the department of the responsible for the budgeting and the spending. These funds that are available to the unit the state of the government we can spend on the country, for example the tertiary. So FP, that is FP it is called the favorite the person. So it is a person who someone with the mental diseases relies on for giving the support. So you can look up for the common with the borderline, the personalities disorder. It is the often someone has a minimum of the one favorite the person, but a person have many. So the next it is importance of the finance in modern world. That is the modern world of the important finances, financial problems, wealth maximization goal, allocations of the funds, maximizing earnings, their cost of the present and the future funds, allocations of the earnings. So these are the importance of the finance in the modern world. So they have here 5 levels of giving for the more importance of the financing. So the example of the tech for the finance, they have here various techs for the finance have given the payment, payroll of the benefits of the financing, then spend of the management, accounting and the reporting, financial planning and analysis, capital management, etc. So these are the tech for the finance have given the some of the companies have taken for that sharing investor of the marketing. So the last it is we can conclusions of the topic of the business finance. So the different sources are used to finance have given the current asset. So it is the mainly trade, the credit which have given the natural source of the financing of the customers by the suppliers. So the part of it is short-term financial resources are widely of giving the obligation which the form of the source for the creations of the time of the payment by the day-to-day of the continuous process. So that is the financing of the business finance. Thank you.